Dear viewers, today we are going to look at the female reproductive system, and we have this female reproductive system. This is a model of the female reproductive system, and we want to use this female reproductive system, and we see or we talk about how menstruation happens. You know that we have been hearing a lot about how menstruation happens, and most people have it differently. So today we are going to see how menstruation happens using the model, and we also have our two diagrams on the screen. As you can see, we are going to use these two diagrams to see how menstruation happens. Normally, when you look at these two diagrams, we have the part in the female reproductive system we call ovary. It is this part that we call ovary. And when you look at this, here we are having the eggs in the ovary, and this is the part we call ovary. But now, this part, we are having the eggs. They are showing us the eggs. Now, the two sides of the female reproductive system, each side every month releases an egg, of which this egg moves and comes to the oviduct. When it reaches the oviduct, when what we call ovulation, when this egg reaches the oviduct, the walls of the uterus, I mean this part, the walls of the uterus swell, waiting for fertilization to take place. Then after fertilization, in case the sperms are released and they come and fertilize this egg, now this egg will come to the uterus, what we call implantation. So when this egg is not fertilized, after 2-3 days, this egg, when it is not fertilized, now these walls of the uterus that have been swollen, waiting for implantation, such that they can hold the baby, they can prevent the baby from the shock, they will start shedding off. They will start shedding off. As you can see, these walls, they start shedding off. And when they shed off, they come out as blood. And it is this blood that comes out from the vagina that we see as menstruation. And this blood is called menses. When these walls of the uterus, when they wait for fertilization to take place, or they wait for implantation and there's no implantation, now these walls shed off and come out as blood, what we have called the menses. So what we see coming out of blood, it's not from the eggs. Most people say that the side of the female reproductive system produces very many eggs, and they are the eggs that burst, then they come out as blood. No, this egg is very, 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 very small. Actually, it is very, 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 very small. Like, it cannot produce that blood that can last for 2, 3, 4 days when a woman is in menstruation period. That's how menstruation period happens in the female reproductive system.